Okay, you guys in green chair, we're only interacting with that coffee. That's all we're doing. The red folder's on the table. That's all we're doing today, you guys. This is our science experiment for scientific proof. Yeah, dude, get in the chair and interact with the coffee. Touch the coffee right here, you guys. This coffee. Don't get small. Don't shrink down. Stay normal sized and touch that coffee. Don't get small, please. Don't be small. Don't be small. Sit in the chair and touch it with your arms. Well, dude, I don't care if you fucking do that, bro. Do it. I want you in the chair. Don't get small with the coffee, you guys. Be tall. Sit up in the chair and interact with the coffee.